Hey there, it's you again. Now, I respect your decisions truly. Maybe the individual offers didn't quite resonate with you, and that's okay. But before you move forward, I've got one final proposal that I truly believe you shouldn't miss. You see, I genuinely want you to experience the full power of our Smart AI suite. So I've come up with a unique one-time offer that wraps up everything into an unbeatable bundle. And in fact, what you'll get is even better than if you'd bought everything in the funnel. Introducing the Smart AI Ultimate Power Bundle. Here's what you get. Both of the add-ons I showed you today. That's the Silo Factory and the Smart AI campaigns. You'll have all the tools to build, publish, organize, schedule, and automate your content and websites like never before. But what I haven't mentioned is that I already have at least 3 new add-ons planned for the coming days. And with this bundle, you're going to receive all of them at no charge, along with any other add-ons I come up with in the future. But maybe the best part of this whole bundle is what I call the API key freedom upgrade that comes with it, which means no more fumbling with API keys. You never have to worry about entering them in, and that also means that I pay for all your API credits going forward. So you'll never even have to think about API providers or credits. Another part of that is that I plan on adding more API providers in the future also. And with this upgrade, you'll never worry about adding new providers' API keys either. So it's a win-win all the way around. Why am I offering this? Because I genuinely believe in the potential of the tools we've developed, and I want to make it as easy as possible for you to harness their full power. But please bear in mind, I may decide not to keep this value-packed bundle at such an unbeatable price, so now is definitely the time. You've got the base component, which is Smart AI Content Creator. Now with the Smart AI Ultimate Power Bundle, you'll have everything you need to make your website empire grow lightning fast and your content shine more brightly than ever before. So, are you in? Click below to secure the Smart AI Ultimate Power Bundle and elevate your content game. I understand this could be a life-changing decision, so let me just go over everything that you're getting with the Smart AI Ultimate Power Bundle. You already have Smart AI Content Creator base plugin, so you can say goodbye to content block. It's like having a seasoned writer on call 24/7. You're going to add to that the Smart AI Silo Factory. Think of this as a website architect's master design console, where you will use AI to masterfully organize any website structure to lay down an SEO-friendly foundation while writing, designing, and publishing all the content. You'll also receive today the Smart AI Campaigns add-on, which is really your personal publishing powerhouse, so you can automate, schedule, and launch varied content campaigns that run completely hands-off. From daily, twice daily, weekly, or monthly, you can design campaigns that keep your website thriving and growing while you sleep. You're also guaranteed to receive any and all new add-ons that I publish for Smart AI Content Creator plugin, which is a huge value in itself. You'll also receive the API key freedom upgrade so you can work unhindered by the need to worry about provider API keys or pay for any credits. I'm covering it all for you so you can concentrate solely on your creative output. So to sum up, you're not just getting a set of tools, you're leveraging an ecosystem that supercharges your website and content creation, management, and delivery. Click now to guarantee your Smart AI Ultimate Power Bundle. Let's get started.